Hello, my students. How are you, everyone? Today we'll solve working assessment number 4 about first solution homework, page 15. Okay. First question finds the product between two terms here: x power 2 y power 2 product by 5 x power 2 y. First step, we can write 5 product by 1 equal 5 and x power 2 times x power 2 equal x power 4 and y power 2 times y equal y power 3. Next question here, we use distributive properties. 3 times 3 equal 9. X power 2 times x equal x power 3. And 3 times 3 equal 9. X times x equal x power 2 and write y. And then product here also, write negative. 2 times 3 equals 6, write negative 6x. We can simplify this also. 2 times 3 equals 6 and x times x power 2. We can eat two powers here, okay? And then 2x times 1 will be 2x. And then 3x times x will be 3x power 2 plus 3 times 2 equals 6. 6x, the simplest example. A triangle has a base of x power 2 plus 2x plus 3 units, length and height 3x. Find its area. We know the area of triangle half times the base times the height. This area equal half product by the base times the height. The base here was x power 2 plus 2x plus 3 product by height 3x. You can product and then divide it by half, divided by 2, okay? How we can find here? First step, you can write x power 2 times 3 equal distributive here, this is the area, equal half product. X power 2 times 3x equal 3x power 3. 2x times 3x equals 6x power 2. And 3 times 3x equal 9x. Okay, this is the area here. Then the area equivalent to, you can see now, 3 over 2x power 3. Okay, plus 6 divided by 2 is 3, x power 2 plus 9 divided by 2, x. Now I can find the area at x equal 3. He tell me find the value when x equal 3. Okay, at x equal 3, then the area will be equal 3 over 2 product by 3 power 3 equal 27 plus 3 product by 3 power 2 is 9 plus 9 over 2 product by the value of x equal 3. You can write the answer in the simplest form, okay? Because he won't find the area of triangle half times base times the height. Okay, he give me here half times base, the height here was 3x. You can symbolize this. Okay, right here, right 2, 3 times 27 equal 81 plus 3 times 9, 27, and here 3 times 9 is 27 over 2. You can collect it together, right? 27 and 8 together, two fractions, right? 2, 7 plus 1 equal 8, and 2 plus 1, 2 plus 8 equal 10. Then we have 27 plus 10 divided by 2, 5, 8 divided by 2, 4. Now we can collect to find the answer in this last step. 7 plus 4, 11, 6 plus 2 equal 8. The result will be 81 square units. It's the area, okay? Area of triangle. Next question, simplify this expression. We use different distributive properties. 2m times m equal to m power 2. And then 2m times negative 4, right? Negative, and 2 times 4 equal 8, 8m. Plus 3m times 2m equals 6m power 2, and 3m times 1 equals 3m. Next step, we can use here distributive or use here associated properties commutative, right? 2m power 2 plus 6m power 2 equal 8m power 2, and the negative 8m plus 3m equal negative 5m. Then the simplest answer about this question. Okay, understood? Look at here about model A, x plus 2 less than negative 3. You can solve the equation. Is this inequality? Sorry. Then we have x less than 3, negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. Where less than negative 5, negative 6, less than negative 5. We product 3 times 4 is 12, and x power 2 product by x power 3, it will be x power 5. We have 12 x power 5. Find the solution about this inequality. First step, we must divide it by 2. Okay, to cancel the coefficient of x. So the sixth step here, we can write x power 3 less than or equal to 4. in the value of x less than or equal to 1. Polling to rational number, the answer here less than or equal to 1. Like this, we draw number line, okay? And solution set will be x such that x polling to rational number and x less than or equal to 1. Okay, the solution about this inequality. Next question down. Find solution in the simplest form about number 4. Use here distributive properties to find the answer. 5ab times here 3 times 5 is 15. A times a power 2, b times b power 2 equal b power 3. And 5 times 3 is 15. A, b times b power 2, right, negative. 2 times 5 equal 10. A times a power 2, and b. This is the simplest because we have here difference, okay, the simplest answer. We can find extra more solution. Okay, next question. Here, 5x times x, it will be 5x power 2. 5x times negative 2, rep negative 2 times 5 equal 10. And then 2x times 3x equals 6x power 2. And 2 times 4 equal 8x. You can simplify this by write 5x power 2, negative 10. Look at here, negative 10x plus here, negative 10x plus 8x equal negative 2x. And then we have also 6x power 2 is similar. You can simplify this also. 5 plus 6 equal 11. And the result will be 11x power 2 negative 2x. Now we can find the value at x equal 1. Then the expression will be the value will be equal 11 product by 1 power 2 subtract by 2 times 1. 11 times 1 will be 11. Subtract by 2 times 1 is 2. 11 minus 2 equal 9. This is the answer here about this question. Result will be 9. Understood? Next question down. You can solve also this inequality here by move negative 2 here. Then x will be less than negative 3 plus 2. X less than negative 1. What's the number less than negative 1? It will be negative 2. Next question. We can use the here distributive properties to find the answer. 4 times 4 equals 16. X power 2 times x power 3 equals x power 5. Next question. We can solve this inequality here. First step, divided by 3, left hand side, right hand side, to cancel the coefficient. Then x plus 5 less than or equal to 3. Next step, move 5, then x less than or equal to 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Then the solution set will be x such that x is falling to rational number. Then x less than or equal to negative 2. Okay, the solution. Next question. We can use here distributive properties. 2 times 3 equals 6. X times x power 2. Y times y power 3, y power 4. As the product, 2 times 5 equal 10. X times x power 2 and rate y. As the product, 2 times 4 equal 8. X, y times y power 2. It's the simplest. We can simplest extra like this, okay? Next question down here, use here distributive properties. 3x times x equal 3x power 2 plus 3 times 2 equals 6x, and then x times 3x equals 3x power 2, and x times 5 is 5x. Now we can simplify 3x power 2 plus 3x power 2 equal 6x power 2 plus 6x plus 5x equal 11x. Now we can find the value at x equal 2. We can put the value here. Then the value will be equal 6 product by 2 power 2, 4 plus 11 times 2. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 22. We can collect will be 46. Next question. If x plus 1 less than negative 3, we can move 1 to left hand side, change the sign here. Then x is z, negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. Raise the number less than negative 4, it will be negative 6. 5 times 3 equal 15. Y power 3, we reduct by y power 4, it will be y power 7. Down, we can solve this inequality. First step, by dividing by 4 two numbers. Then x minus 1 less than or equal to 5. Next step, move, then x less than or equal to 5. Pulling the 2, rational number, then solution set will be x such that x is belonging to a rational number and x less than or equal to 5. Okay, understood these steps? Next question down. Find the simplest form about this example. Here we use distributive property. 6 times 2 equal 12. We can write 12 and a times a power 2 equal, right here 12. A times a power 2, a power 3. B power 2 times b equal b power 3. And then distributive also 6 times 4 is 24. A, b times b, b power 2. Right, negative. 6 times 1 equals 6. A times a power 2, b. It's the simplest form of this expression. Okay. Next one down, we use the distributive property. 6, 8 times 8 will be 6a power 2. And 6a times negative 1, it will be negative 6a plus 2 times 3, 6. A times a power 2. 2 times 2, 4. A. We can write 6 plus 6 equal 12. A power 2. Negative 6a plus 4, 8 will be negative 2a. And then at x or at e equal 3, then the value will be equal. Put here the value of x or a, the value of a equal 3 here. Then we have 12 product by 3 power 2 subtract by 2 product by a. The value of a was 3. Then we have 12 product by 9 subtract by 6. The result will be 100a subtract by 6 equal 102. Okay, now I finished all the assessment number 4. Okay, my students, goodbye.